I've recently had some folks that I'm coaching that are moving up to a CPO level position. There are different titles. CPO, sometimes they're considered a vice president of product, but the idea is at the executive level, they are accountable for the performance of the products in the portfolio. And it's a natural question, what are the key responsibilities of a CPO? It's still a relatively new role. You'll find CPOs, especially in more mature companies, but I don't think everybody has the same kind of intuition about what a CPO does that maybe they would have about a CFO or a CEO or CTO. So it's a really important role in an organization for whom products are strategic. So there are a lot of things that a CPO needs to do, but today I want to talk about one that I think is like the most critical and that a CPO is almost uniquely positioned to do. And that is build a market-facing, product-oriented culture in the business across disciplines. That means at the executive level first, sales in the product organization. And there are two elements to that. One is market-facing. We need to get over this obsession with customers, the people who have already bought, and really understand the markets we grow. For most organizations, that's where the big growth opportunity is. In most organizations, it's a big oversight. We barely understand the market. We understand a few bullets. We've not done the segmentation that we need to do. So a CPO needs to help build this awareness, this fixation on the market instead of just customers. By the way, customers are part of the market. They're included. Very often over time, they end up having different needs than the rest of the market, but that is a critical thing that CPO can do. And the other part of that is being really product-oriented or product-led. It seems obvious. A lot of people come from a sales background, come from a services organization. They don't know how product works. Product is a thing, building a product. Those of us that have done it for a long time take a lot of things for granted, make a lot of assumptions that people understand things, and we shouldn't. And I work with successful, fairly mature organizations all the time that have executives and other people in the organization that do not get product. They don't speak product. They don't think product. So to me as a CPO, that is one of the first goals that should be set is how do I make sure, how do I kind of clear runway for myself by making sure the rest of the executives understand what it means to be a product-led organization, what it means to serve a market instead of customers. And not easy, but key accountability of a CPO if, again, they want to be effective and not be swimming against the tide their entire tenure. I hope this was helpful.